Hi everyone and welcome to iVisa, the channel that helps you get your visa without any hassle. I'm Dalma, your host for today's video, and I'm going to show you how to get a Portugal Schengen Visa. Portugal is a wonderful country in southern Europe with a sunny climate, stunning beaches, charming cities, and delicious cuisine. It's also a member of the Schengen area, which means that you can travel to 25 other European countries with the same visa. But how do you get a Portugal Schengen Visa? What are the requirements, the fees, and the processing times? And what are the best tips and tricks to make your application successful? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll answer all these questions and more. We'll also tell you about our amazing service that makes getting your Portugal Schengen Visa easier than ever. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more visa guides and tips. A Portugal Schengen Visa is a short stay visa that allows you to enter Portugal and the rest of the Schengen area for up to 90 days within a 180-day period. You can use this visa for various purposes, such as tourism, business, family visits, or transit. A Portugal Schengen Visa is also known as a Visa C or a Uniform Schengen Visa. It can be issued for 1, 2, or multiple entries depending on your travel plans and the discretion of the Portuguese authorities. A Portugal Schengen Visa does not guarantee your entry into Portugal or the Schengen area. You still need to present some documents and answer some questions at the border control. The final decision on whether you can enter or not rests with the border officers. Not everyone needs a Portugal Schengen Visa to enter Portugal or the Schengen area though. There are some countries whose citizens can travel visa-free or for short stays of up to 90 days. These include the European Union member states, the European Economic Area member states, and the European Free Trade Association member states, as well as these countries. Now, the citizens of these countries need to have a biometric passport to travel visa-free. The citizens of the United Kingdom may need to apply for an ETIAS authorization. If you're not a citizen of any of these countries, you will need to apply for a Portugal Schengen Visa before your trip. To apply for a Portugal Schengen Visa, you will need to follow these steps. 1. Check if you need a Portugal Schengen Visa and what type of visa you need. You can go to iVisa.com to find out in seconds. Find out where to apply for your visa. You can apply at the Portuguese embassy or consulate in your country of residence or at a visa application center authorized by Portugal. You can also use our service to apply online and avoid the hassle of going to an embassy or consulate. Book an appointment for your visa application. You will need to schedule an appointment online or by phone at least 15 days before your intended departure date. You can also skip this step if you use our service. Gather the required documents for your visa application. You'll need to have the following documents: a valid passport or travel document. It must have at least 2 blank pages and be valid for at least 3 months before your return date. A completed and signed Portugal Schengen Visa application form. You can download it from our website or fill it out online using our service. A recent passport size photo. It must be in color with a white background and show your full face. Proof of travel purpose. This can be an invitation letter from a Portuguese host, a hotel reservation, a tour itinerary, or a business letter. Proof of travel arrangements. This can be a round-trip flight ticket or other means of transport. Proof of financial means. This can be bank statements, pay slips, tax returns, or a sponsorship letter. Proof of travel insurance. It must cover at least 30,000 euros for medical expenses and repatriation in case of emergency. Proof of accommodation. This can be a hotel booking, an Airbnb reservation, or a letter from a friend or relative in Portugal. Proof of civil status. This can be a marriage certificate, a birth certificate, or a death certificate if applicable. Proof of legal residence. This can be a residence permit, a visa, or an ID card if you are not living in your country of citizenship. Submit your visa application and pay the visa fee. You will need to go to the embassy or consulate or the visa application center on the day of your appointment and submit your documents and biometric data, fingerprints, and photo. You will also need to pay the visa fee in cash or by card. The visa fee is 80 euros for adults and 40 euros for children aged 6 to 11. Some categories of applicants are exempt from the fee or eligible for a reduced fee. You can also save time and money by using our service and submitting your application online and paying the fee securely with your preferred method of payment. Wait for your visa to be processed and issued. The processing time for the Portugal Schengen visas is usually 15 days, but it may vary depending on the workload of the embassy or consulate or the visa application center. You can track the status of your application online using our service or by contacting the embassy or consulate or the visa application center directly. Collect the passport with your visa from the embassy or consulate or the visa application center or have it delivered by mail if that option is available. As you can see, applying for a Portugal Schengen Visa can be quite complicated and time-consuming. You'll need to deal with a lot of paperwork, bureaucracy, and fees. That's why we recommend recommend you to use iVisa instead. iVisa is an online platform that simplifies the process of getting travel documents such as visas, e-visas, and health declarations. With iVisa, you can apply for your Portugal Schengen Visa in just 3 easy steps. Number 1. Fill out a short online application form on our website or download our app. You'll only need to provide some basic information such as your name, nationality, email address, and travel dates. Choose the processing speed that suits your needs and budget. Pay the fee using your preferred method of payment. You'll receive your visa confirmation by email. As you can see, applying for a Portugal Schengen Visa with iVisa is much easier and faster than doing it by yourself. You'll save time, money, and hassle by using iVisa. Here are some of the benefits of applying with us. You can apply from anywhere in the world at any time of day or night using any device with an internet connection. Everything is done online. You don't need to fill out long and complex forms or upload multiple documents. iVisa is simple and user-friendly. You don't need to worry about making mistakes or missing information. iVisa's team of experts will review your application and correct any errors before submitting it to the authorities. You don't need to wait for weeks or months to get your visa. With iVisa, you can process your visa in as little as 30 minutes depending on the processing speed you choose. You don't need to pay exorbitant fees or hidden charges. iVisa fees are transparent and affordable, and they include the government fee, the service fee, and the processing fee. You don't need to risk losing your visa or having it damaged or stolen. iVisa will send you the visa confirmation by email, which you can print out or store it on your phone. You don't need to worry about your personal data being compromised or misused. iVisa uses advanced security systems and encryption protocols to protect your information and privacy. So what are you waiting for? Apply for your Portugal Schengen Visa with iVisa today and enjoy a smooth and hassle-free experience. Now that you know how to get your Portugal Schengen Visa, let me tell you about some of the hidden gems that you can discover in this amazing country. Portugal is not only famous for its capital city, Lisbon, which is a lively and colorful metropolis with a rich cultural and historical heritage. Portugal also has many other attractions that are worth exploring. This is a stunning region in northern Portugal that is famous for its wine production and its scenic landscapes. The valley is dotted with vineyards, olive groves, almond trees, and charming villages. You can take a boat cruise along the Douro River, visit some of the wineries, and taste some of the finest wines in the world. This is a coastal region in southern Portugal that is known for its sunny weather, sandy beaches, rocky cliffs, and turquoise waters. The Algarve is a paradise for sun seekers, surfers, and golfers. You can also explore some of the picturesque towns and villages such as Lagos, Faro, Tavira, and Albufeira. These are a group of 9 volcanic islands in the Atlantic Ocean that belong to Portugal. The Azores are a natural wonderland that offer a variety of activities and experiences for nature lovers. You can hike on some of the highest mountains in Portugal, swim in natural hot springs, watch whales and dolphins in their natural habitat, or admire some of the most beautiful lakes and waterfalls in Europe. This is a protected area near Lisbon that encompasses some of the most impressive natural and cultural attractions in Portugal. The park includes the fairy tale town of Sintra, which is home to several palaces, castles, and gardens that showcase different architectural styles and periods. The park also includes the coastal town of Cascais, which is a popular seaside resort with a charming historic center and a lively marina. The park also includes Cabo da Roca. These are just some of the hidden gems that you can find in Portugal, but there are many more to discover. Portugal is a country that will enchant you with its diversity, beauty, and hospitality. If you're looking for a unique and rewarding travel experience, Portugal is the place for you. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll try to answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more visa guides and tips. You can also share it with your friends or anyone who may find it useful. And don't forget to download the iVisa app or visit our website to apply for your Portugal Schengen Visa in a fast and easy way. Thank you for watching and see you next time.